Here we are at the city. My camera ran out of battery, so we're just starting to pull it back now. It's all 4-inch cast iron. You can see how it's all scaled up. Hold on 1 second. Let me try again here. You can kind of see the scale and the buildup on the bottom there a little bit.
Could you, would it be cheaper, Ben, to put a liner in there?
Well, you'd have to descale it anyway.
Oh, you had to do it anyway, okay.
And I mean, honest recommendation is to descale it, then line it, because then you never have to deal with it again. But no, a liner for something like this would be like $6 grand.
Oh,
like
forget that.
Yeah.
You do a lot of that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Mm-hmm. A lot.
I mean, it's a lot cheaper than excavating.
I mean, now, like, if you're talking like one spot, it's not cheaper. If you're talking all the way down it, oh, so much cheaper. You know, like usually I can line a pipe for twice as much as what somebody's gonna dig. You know, your average cost for digging up a spot is $3,500, give or take.
Mm-hmm. You
know, that's like a 10-foot max deep hole, like a 5-foot wide hole. You know, that's about $3,500 is the going rate. And in every 70-foot sewer, I can line for $6 grand, maybe less.
Wow.
You know, so now for me to line a 10-foot section, be about 3 to 4, probably $3,500 to $4 grand. You know, so it's just,
I guess.
You know, so the cost savings really start to happen when we're doing the whole thing. I mean, that gets just
bigger area.
Like third lining job I did was it was a 125-foot sewer that went underneath a county road across it to the other side, and was 25 feet deep. They got a quote from another company for $60,000 to replace it.
Wow.
And they didn't tell me that until after I bid them $15 grand to do that. I said, "Oh no!" I mean, $50,000.
You would have done it for 40. You would have been a bargain for them.
I know. Like as soon as I said 15, they were like, "Yeah." I was like,
"Let's go. Let's do it now."
I was like, "I better bid that."
Wow.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
All right, so here we are, coming up and out now. And there's too much orange stuff. You can see it looks like there's just a crust. Yeah. I don't know if the bottom of the pipes will rotted away. Let me see if I can get this dried up. Man, this is kind of rough in here. You can see that there's just a channel here. There's a chance that... Yeah, let me get this dried off again. So it's got a little bit of a belly here, so it's holding water all the time. So it might be just a crust at the top of that belly. But either way, the bottom of that pipe's going to rot out faster than anything else because it's just full of water, you know. So...